Hey guys, welcome. So today, or whatever day you guys are watching this, we're going to be doing some new food content. This is kind of my little dedicated area that the wife has given me in the kitchen. We got lots of knives, scissors, not sure what we're going to use those for. But anyways, we'll hope that you'll watch the entire video and be sure to subscribe at the end, and we'll do a 5-second countdown starting now. Alright guys, let's get prepped here. I'm gonna actually have to run out and grab the tortillas, but oh well. Alright, we'll just get our lettuce kind of as much as we can here. Alright, we'll get the tomato. Lemons. Right, so we'll get the rest of it done later. And there you have it.